Welcome to the Youth Protection Training Program by Team Spyder, presented by
Brian
and Eric. Brian and I will be showing you a series of scenarios that may occur on your team.
We will also be preparing you with techniques to deal with each individual event. We will now show you the first segment.
At any moment during a meeting, a member of the team may become subject to sexual harassment.
Here we see two students talking by themselves when one of them is pulled into a private room by a mentor. As the other one leaves, the mentor closes the door and we can see the lights being turned off from inside the room.
Next, a student walks up to check the door, only to find that it is locked. This obviously prevents a dangerous situation for the student and adult alike. This can be avoided by using 2D leadership.
Now let's look at a more appropriate way to approach the situation.
The adult still pulls the student aside, but instead of taking him into a private office, he moves out of earshot and still in eyesight, while accompanied by another mentor.
This is a much safer way to speak with a student in private.
Grooming is when an adult or mentor attempts to make a student more comfortable with their presence in order to achieve high receptiveness from sexual advances by the adult.
The following videos will illustrate different techniques that may be used to groom a student. One way a mentor might attempt to groom a student is through massaging him or her, therefore breaking the physical touch barrier.
Another way an adult may attempt to gain the trust of a student is through gifts, such as a large sum of money.
To resolve sexual harassment issues, the best thing to do is to call the local authorities and report the perpetrator. If a student tells you about a certain incident, take his description at face value and record it exactly as stated. Bullying is very common amongst teenage students and can become a very serious problem if not dealt with.
Here are some scenarios that depict a student being harassed and bullied.
Here we see a student being confronted in the hallway by a bully.
After multiple cases of bullying, the victim has become afraid of the bully because he is being constantly harassed.
Students can also be bullied over the internet. Here we see a victim being harassed through an instant message.
Sometimes a friendly group of students may become discriminatory when they form a secret club.
Unlike cliques, these associations have names. Giving a name to the group is what creates the club.
A secret club may at first seem to be just a sociable group of friends, but the true danger lies in their actions.
Oftentimes, there is an initiation process for these secret clubs known as hazing. Hazing is when a student is required to perform certain uncomfortable or humiliating acts in order to gain acceptance into these groups.
It is important for mentors to attend to problems that may arise on the team. These problems may include bullying or sexual harassment. When dealing with a problem such as bullying, the mentor should encourage the target to discuss the situation with an adult. The mentor should then speak privately with the alleged bully. When the mentor speaks to the bully, they should avoid using the actual word bully. That completes Team Spyder's Youth Protection Training video.
Please discuss what you have learned and inform any parents or mentors that were not able to attend this viewing.
Thank you for keeping your kids safe. Have a great season.
Team Spyder wishes you the best of luck in your current and future endeavors.
Here comes the music.